Let's get straight to the point. You can literally reprogram your brain to crave studying the same way it craves endless scrolling on social media. But first, we need to understand what's happening inside your head. Why can you spend 3 hours on TikTok but struggle with 15 minutes of a book? One word: dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you feel pleasure. And your brain is always hunting for it, like a heat-seeking missile. Here's the problem. Short videos give your brain huge dopamine spikes. Every swipe is something new. A joke, a dance, a shocking fact, a cute animal. All in seconds with zero effort. Your brain has become hooked on concentrated dopamine, and in comparison, studying feels like it's at the very bottom of the fun ladder. Books, lectures, notes, they all take effort before you feel any reward. So what's the solution? 2 steps. Step 1, reset your dopamine levels. Imagine your brain's dopamine system like an upside-down scale. Right now, it's overloaded, so only extreme things feel enjoyable. To reset it, you need to bring it back into balance. Start with a simple dopamine detox. You don't have to quit the internet. Just add daily habits that reset your natural sensitivity. Sit for 15 minutes in complete boredom. No phone, no music, no stimulation. At first, your brain will scream for stimulation, but after a week, it starts to enjoy the simple things again. Step 2. Make studying give you dopamine. Turn your textbook into a treasure map, not a torture device. Every page is an idea that could change how you see the world. Use small rewards. Break your material into chunks, and every time you finish, give yourself a check mark or a star. That sense of progress equals dopamine. Try the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of focus, 5 minutes of rest. Suddenly, studying becomes a series of small, winnable challenges. Connect what you study to your life. Math? Link it to prices around you. Biology? Link it to your body in the gym. Use colorful pens. Explain aloud as if teaching someone else. And most importantly, study with curiosity, not obligation. If you approach a book with the love of discovery, you'll feel a real transformation. I've seen people actually choose to study instead of opening TikTok, not because they're geniuses, but because they reprogrammed their brain. Your brain isn't broken, it's hijacked. Taking back control of your dopamine means taking back control of your future.